All right, so you guys know I take my headphones very seriously. I consider myself to be fairly well-versed in the land of headphones. I know a lot of people want to upgrade to something wireless. If you go to the gym or you like to jog, you travel, you don't necessarily want a wire going down there all the time. Of course, a wired connection is always going to be great for sound quality. How much were those final headphones? Almost $4,000 on a pair of headphones. Today, I have a product that is not only wireless, but it's also one of the more affordable wireless headsets that I've seen ever. I've been using the IQ Buds. Big fan of those. Wow. I kind of like driving. But again, a higher price tag. I didn't even say it yet. They are the Bullets Wireless, the new Bullets Wireless from OnePlus. They're $69. They're trying to do what they did to smartphones in a way, bringing that price point down, but still delivering value. Now, obviously, at this point, I haven't heard these yet. They have magnets, and you know I love magnets. You power these things on and off just by clicking them to one another and then unclicking to turn them on. They recharge super quick, kind of like the OnePlus smartphone. According to OnePlus, 5 hours of battery life on here in a 10-minute charge. They're actually currently sold out on the OnePlus website, so keep that in mind. Oh, nice little presentation. What is this? Oh, that's satisfying. It's a little carrying case for your buds. What is that, Samba? Here's the charging cable, USB Type-C. Ooh, various ear tips. Very important that you get the right fit. It's already got an ear hook and an ear tip pre-installed. They clip together when not in use, and that powers them down. And then when you take them apart, they power up like this, hanging out right like that, something like that. And it's definitely better than a switch of any kind. Here you can see the USB Type-C connector. The total runtime for music playing is about 8 hours on these headphones. You can also answer and end phone calls from the remote in this location. Oh yeah, shows up right away. OnePlus Bullets Wireless sits a little deeper in your ear than something like an AirPod or EarPod if you're used to that. Okay, let's play some music over here. So far, so good. You know, for the price point, I'm starting to sniff some value here. I'm feeling comfy right now. There's something nice going on here at $69. I am gonna test the magnetic pause. I clip them together. Okay, the music stopped. So they power down. You can see the Bluetooth connection up there. I'm gonna disconnect these. Wow, instantly. These ones feel a little more lightweight than what I'm used to, and I think I could probably have a more extended session. Is this magnet gonna hold up? Yeah, they're not coming off. What do we do here? Do we just, is that what we do? I mean, that's kind of convenient. Now, they aren't fully waterproof, but they are water resistant. I'm not 100% decided here on what is the better approach to the wireless earbud. Of course, the price consideration is the biggest thing. I don't know of a fully wireless earbud that I would currently recommend at $69. Now, obviously, these are not meant to replace a headphone like my PXC550 from Sennheiser, so I'm not necessarily stacking this against those. I'm trying to put it in the right framework of what this product is at this price and whether or not I think that's a good value. My initial impressions here are pretty good. Kind of want to try these out a little bit and see how much the small cable bothers me, or maybe it won't. As a headset for taking phone calls, should I do a phone call? Hey, Will, quick phone call test. You sound good, but the question is, how do I sound? Really, really clear. You see, so that's the benefit right there. You have the microphone right here for the phone calls. That was a super clear phone call. It's got a little bit of everything. It's not gonna be the best at anything, but it's $69. Who knows, maybe I'll use them a little bit and you can ask me on Twitter if I'm holding up my end of the bargain and if these things are holding up their end of the bargain. $69, you gotta think about it. I think they deserve a little bit of attention.